Hello, children. Cleanliness is very important for a healthy and happy life. Did you know? There are fewer germs in clean places. That's why we should keep both ourselves and our environment clean. Every morning when we wake up, washing our hands and faces makes us feel fresh and clean. Washing our hands with soap before and after meals helps protect us from germs. If we brush our teeth regularly, our teeth will stay strong and healthy. Keeping our environment clean is also very important. Tidying our rooms, throwing trash into the garbage bin, and using our belongings neatly are wonderful habits. Clean children stay healthy. Clean children also set a good example for others. Let's remember, cleanliness brings health. Being clean makes us happy. A clean world is everyone's responsibility. So come on, let's make cleanliness a habit. Because we children are the builders of the future. My little friends, I love you all very much.